Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an epic story from the Bible, the tale of David and Goliath. This isn't just about a battle, it's a powerful reminder about courage, faith, and trusting in the Lord. Let's jump right in. In the valley of Elah, two armies are facing off, the Philistines on one hill and the Israelites on the other. It's a classic showdown, but there's one warrior who towers above them all, Goliath from Gath. Goliath isn't just any soldier, he's a giant, over 9 feet tall, wearing heavy bronze armor and armed to the teeth. Every day for 40 days he steps forward, challenging the Israelites and making them tremble with fear, looking worried and scared. And you know what? His taunts are working. The Israelite soldiers, including King Saul, are totally scared out of their minds and unsure of what to do. Now let's meet David, the youngest son of Jesse from Bethlehem. While his brothers are off at war, David is at home taking care of the sheep. One day, his dad sends him to deliver food to his brothers and check in on them. Cut to David arriving at the Israelite camp, bustling with activity. When David arrives, he hears Goliath's loud challenges and sees how scared everyone is. He asks, "Why is everyone afraid of this giant? Don't you know that the Lord is on our side?" But instead of getting encouragement, David's oldest brother, Eliab, gets angry at him. He accuses David of just wanting to watch the fight, but David doesn't let that stop him. He knows he has a purpose. David's bravery catches the attention of King Saul. Despite Saul's doubts about David's youth and experience, David shares his stories of defeating a lion and a bear while protecting his sheep. Impressed by David's confidence and faith, Saul reluctantly agrees to let him face Goliath. But first he tries to outfit David in heavy armor. Cut to David removing the armor, looking determined. David quickly realizes that the armor is too bulky and uncomfortable. Instead, he grabs his sling and picks up 5 smooth stones from a nearby stream. With a determined heart, he heads toward Goliath. When Goliath sees David, he mocks him, saying, "What are you, a dog, coming at me with sticks?" But David stands tall, declaring, "I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty." He tells Goliath that today will be the day he defeats him, and the whole world will see that there is a God of Israel. With everyone watching, David runs towards Goliath, slinging a stone with precision. The stone strikes Goliath right in the forehead. Goliath falls, and the Israelites erupt in cheers. David becomes a hero, a reminder that with faith, courage, and confidence in the Lord, you can overcome even the biggest challenges. So what can we learn from David and Goliath? Sometimes the biggest victories come from God working through us, and when we fully rely on God's strength and not our own. If you enjoyed this story, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what giants are you facing in your life?